Hello everyone, continuing the previous video, here we are with the details of type of sentences. So the first one would be assertive sentence, also known as declarative sentence. As the name suggests, to declare something, which means to tell something. For example, simple statements which could be, I am going to the market. I am declaring something. That could be an example of assertive sentence. The second one, universal fact. For example, the sun rises in the east. The third one, hobbies. For example, I like dancing. All these are the example of assertive sentences. The second one would be interrogative sentences. As the name suggests, to interrogate, which means to ask questions. It has a question mark at the end of the sentence. For example, what is your name? Where are you going? All these are the example of the same. The third one would be imperative sentences, which includes advice or suggestion, some request, some order or command. For example, if I talk about advice, don't talk rudely to your elders. If I talk about request, please fetch me a glass of water. If I talk about order or command, it could be shut up, keep quiet. The next one would be optative sentences, which includes wish or prayer, and it has an exclamatory mark or a mark of exclamation at the end of it. For example, many happy returns of the day. That's a wish. It is again included in optative sentence. If I say may God bless you, that would be a kind of prayer for you, and it is included in the same. And the last one would be exclamatory sentences, which depict sudden feelings. Whenever you're seeing something, whatever comes to your mind is included in exclamatory sentences, and it has a mark of exclamation at the end of it. For example, hurrah, we won the match. What a beautiful day. That's all for today. Thank you.